Hey friends, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to get notes on Instagram. So, if you go for your profile, you can't see any notes on your profile. So, all you need to do is go for your message option and you can see here is the notes option, your note option here. You can add your note, whatever you want, and then go for share. So if you can't see a note option here, so you have to just go for your app store and just update your Instagram, because this is the new feature in this Instagram. So after that, when you updated your Instagram, you can see here is your note. So this is how you can get note on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.